During the closing ceremony of the International Film Festival of India in Goa on 28th November 2025, actor Ranveer Singh mimicked a Daiva performance inspired by Rishabh Shetty's film Kantara, A Legend Chapter 1. Ranveer Singh's mimicry was not only criticized on social media, but on 1st December 2025, Hindu Janajagruti Samiti had submitted a written complaint at Panaji Police Station against actor Ranveer Singh for allegedly hurting religious sentiments by the act. Next day, Panaji Police forwarded the complaint to Agassaim Police due to jurisdictional issue. But still till date, Agassaim Police has failed to register FIR in this matter. According to sources, Agassaim Police did not get nod from the higher-ups to register FIR as Ranveer Singh was a guest in the function organized by Goa government, and also because Ranveer Singh had later tendered an apology on social media. But now, Bengaluru High Grounds Police Station has registered the FIR against Ranveer Singh for allegedly hurting religious sentiments for the same act after direction of the Bengaluru Chief Metropolitan Magistrate on the basis of a complaint filed by local advocate.